Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Ponder token from Ponder 1. Now the ticker symbol for this token is PNDR, and it was just announced that this token will be getting a very big central exchange listing starting tomorrow, November 20th, on a very big central exchange, and we're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, this token is on the Ethereum blockchain. You can find it on Etherscan. 18 decimal places on this token. There is a total max supply of 100 million PNDR tokens. And it was just announced that this token will be listed tomorrow, November 20th at 10 a.m. UTC time, on a very big central exchange called Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search the ticker symbol PNDR, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So their webpage is ponder.one, and it says, "Don't wander, ponder." They have the tokenomics medium articles on their webpage. They have a Telegram, Twitter. They have an application you could go to. There's a live airdrop event going on there. They have all sorts of links there. Now, they're medium articles. One of them is about the airdrops. Let's see here. And then one talks about the ultimate Web3 comparison engine. There's an ambassador program. They talk about what is a stablecoin, what is slippage, what is an airdrop. They talk about their team. So there's so many different medium articles that you could go over if you want to learn more about this project here. One of the articles is talking about how Ponder is simplifying Web3. It says, compare, contrast, and execute on one platform. In the ever-evolving realm of cryptocurrency, a multitude of platform protocols and services jostle for user attention, bridging providers, DeFi protocols, NFT marketplaces, each platform with its own unique offerings, and they have created an intricate and often intimidating environment for the end user. The complexities and intricacies of the Web3 interface, along with the incessant flood of emerging services, are rendering the experience increasingly technical and challenging. Enter Ponder, a game-changing solution that seeks to alleviate these concerns by providing a fully integrated comparison tool for crypto-based operations. Ponder will allow its users to compare a plethora of categories in Web3, not just DeFi, be it RWA markets, BRC20 tokens, NFT marketplaces, including ordinals, and more. Ponder will provide its users with an intuitive UI/UX design, which will simplify user experience, removing jargon, complexities, and utilizing account abstraction for easy onboarding. Ponder plans to simplify complex tasks, which current Web3 UI makes merely looking at intimidating. Users will be able to utilize powerful tools in Web3 such as borrowing, lending, staking protocols, and more without having to put in hours of research on how it works, fees associated, or safety concerns. By integrating into chains and protocols, Ponder brings together all of the platforms within the category in question to give our users the ability to find the platforms they don't know about, compare their offerings, and then execute the tasks or transaction all on one platform. No need to share your wallet credentials with multiple websites, have countless tabs open, or stress as whether there was a better platform for your transaction, because every option will be at your fingertips. Ponder is built using modular architecture, and this means we can develop and plug in new categories to our comparison engine to offer comparisons of brand new platforms and categories like DPIN. Ponder's MVP app will launch with bridging and swapping already integrated. This means Ponder will be able to find the best rates for whatever tasks they want to carry out on DEXs, bridges, or combinations of both. So we decided to build the bridging and swapping functionality first because this gives our users flexibility in what they have access to in terms of platforms and offers. Imagine a scenario where you have 1 ETH on the Polygon network. You find a good staking opportunity where you could stake your ETH for good returns, but the staking platform is on the Arbitrum network. So Ponder will automatically find the best rates to bridge your ETH to Arbitrum and allow you to complete the task in just a few clicks without leaving the website. So Ponder's overarching goal is to simplify Web3, transforming it into an effortless, user-friendly space by integrating into a diverse range of chains, EVM and non-EVM. We want to bring Web3 together, improve interoperability, and minimize liquidity fragmentation. Our goal is to be the central hub for Web3 users for whatever tasks they might want to undertake or even learn about. We commit to supporting our community by providing educational courses on current and popular topics, detailing deals and offers in the Web3 space, and to take advantage of that and much more. And in conclusion, Ponder is your ally in navigating the intricate Web3 landscape. For those new to the space, we provide guidance through the confusing terrain, simplifying seamlessly complex tasks. So if you want to learn more about Ponder, you could go check out their webpage, ponder.one. They have tons of links over there. You can also follow their Telegram, which is at ponderone, and they have 112,000 Telegram members. Over 11,500 are online right now. Then they have their Twitter, which I'm going to put in the corner of the screen here, at ponder_one. You can check that out. 114,000 Twitter followers. And today on Mexc Global, they have a Kickstarter event where you could vote with MX tokens and potentially win airdrops. And there is a reward pool available of 20,000 USDT. And then tomorrow, they get the big listing on Mexc. So check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.